2, 3, 4.
Stealing every album out of Pop's old car and listening to those growing up trying to be a rock star.
Back in the days, back in the days, backpack full of Andres. That's 3 stacks in the chronic, no wait. More like $3 in a 2-box 8. Principal call on my dad,
Corbin is showing up the class.